What you think? You think? Hi, my name is Juan Castillo. Welcome to the vlog. I just realized I don't have my wallet. I gotta go back and get it. Knowing me, it's probably somewhere really obvious, and I'm probably gonna spend half an hour searching for it. That's so negative, gosh. Actually, I'm gonna find my wallet right away. Speaking it into existence. Alright, wallet, I am here to find you. Ha! I spoke it into existence. Oh my God.
And out, you'll notice two doors. If you would, please make sure that the first door you go through closes completely behind you.
So here we are, the Butterfly Rainforest. And immediately butterflies are everywhere. It's so cool. I'm gonna switch over to my DSLR now.
Bright colors, black with the yellow and the red. When you see a butterfly that's black with a bright color like this, it usually means they're trying to tell you something. They're telling you that they are poisonous.
That's my story and I'm sticking to it. I hope you guys enjoyed the butterflies. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, anybody that likes butterflies, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Anyways, but the whole premise of the song is writing a letter to your younger self and giving yourself advice, if you will. Which got me thinking, what would I write if I was writing a letter